In Japan, people celebrate Hadaka Matsuri, or the Naked Festival, where thousands of men brave winter temperatures. Dressed only in loincloths, they jostle for lucky sticks thrown by a priest, believing it brings good fortune. Spain hosts La Tomatina, the world's largest food fight, where over 100 metric tons of ripe tomatoes are hurled. This chaotic, vibrant festival in Buñol sees participants drenched in red pulp, purely for fun. In Scotland, Hogmanay, their New Year's Eve celebration, includes first footing. The first person to cross the threshold after midnight should be a dark-haired male carrying coal, shortbread and whiskey for luck. Thailand celebrates Songkran, the traditional Thai New Year, marked by nationwide water fights. This isn't just play. Water is believed to wash away sins and bad luck from the previous year. From chasing good fortune nearly nude to massive tomato battles and symbolic water drenching, cultural diversity truly astounds. These unique festivals showcase humanity's incredible creativity and spirit across the globe.